Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing a replica of the KTM 690 SMC R, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This KTM 690 SMC R replica comes in a signature KTM window type box, which is a standard boxing by Maisto. So as you can see, bang in the middle is the KTM branding, and on this bottom corner of the box you will see the Maisto logo. And on the upper corner is the scale of this model, which is a 118 scale. And flipping over to the sides and the back, you will find the Maisto logo alongside the KTM branding and the scale of this replica, which is pretty much the same on the top of the box as well. The KTM 690 SMC R, which is the name of this model, is prominent on the base plate this model is placed on, along with the Maisto logo. And finally, on the bottom of the box, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. So to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details, which is standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So now, getting down to a few features and specifications, this KTM motorcycle replica comes with an orange and black chassis, which is pretty much the color scheme all throughout this model, along with some amazing KTM graphics, decals and KTM branding. And this replica comes with a steerable front fork with some awesome KTM branding on both the sides, and also comes with a well-detailed headlight with a pair of turn signals which seamlessly flow into an all-black handlebar with hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers. And moving down is a black enduro front fender that wraps around a beautiful silver alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a single disc brake unit. And moving down to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted, which seamlessly flows together as a single unit with the KTM branding and decals on both sides. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed engine sculpt, which is in black and silver with a single exhaust, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out, along with some KTM branding that stands out. The side shields are painted in white with the KTM branding on both sides that are prominent. And talking about the seat, it's a standard motocross or enduro style seat, which is in black that really flows with this KTM motorcycle replica. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate that's mounted to the rear fender. And just to mention, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension, unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. Well, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well detailed diecast replica of the KTM 690 SMC R, and I'm glad I got my hands on it so I could add it to my ever growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you're a KTM enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well detailed KTM 690 SMC R replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this KTM motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the KTM 690 SMC R coming up. This machine has a single-cylinder engine with a displacement of 690 cubic centimeters and an output of 67 horsepower. It was on offer from 2012 to 2017. Although the machine was the group's best-selling in Germany in 2015 and 2016, it was withdrawn from the range in 2017. Remaining copies were sold in 2017. At the end of 2018, KTM announced the resumption of production and will sell the SMC R again from 2019, then with the revised single-cylinder engine with 75 horsepower. Due to its low weight, when it was first sold it was only 139 kgs dry weight paired with high performance and anti-hopping clutch. It is considered an extreme athlete among the supermoto with the road approval. It has very sharp Brembo brakes, and in order to underline its sporty character, it came into the sales rooms with ABS until 2014 model year. The KTM 690 SMC R has a tubular space frame made of chrome molybdenum steel in which the engine acts as a load-bearing element. The front suspension is provided by an upside-down telescopic fork from the manufacturer WP. At the rear, a strut from the same manufacturer takes on the task by means of deflection. And for further information on the KTM 690 SMC R, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing KTM 690 SMC R replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing KTM diecast replica. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates. And please do check out the rest of the 112 scale and the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.